Welcome to all. Myself Kuldeep Vijayananda Kushare from MEP RSM Polytechnic College Nasik. Last lecture we understand and we discussed the advantage of planning, limitation of planning and requirement of the goods plan. Okay. Today we learn and understand the types of planning. There are three types of planning. Okay. First one is static plans, tactical plan and strategic plan. There are three basic nature of planning. Okay, first we discuss first point, strategic plan. Involve analyzing competitive opportunity and threats as well as the strength and weakness of organization and determine how to position the organization to compete effectively in their environment. Means operational plans are short term, less than 1 year. Plans developed to create specific actions step that support as a strategical and tactical plans. They are given a different points to strategical plans like opportunity, strength, weakness, and position of organizer to compete effectively their environment. They are usually developed by the manager to fulfill his or job responsibility. Then they are developed by supervisor, team leader, facilitator to support the tactical plan. Okay, it is the determination of the long-term objective of the enterprise. The action plan to be adopted and the resource to be mobilized to the achievement this goal. Then since it is the planning the direction of company progress, it is done by the top management of organization. The static plan must be forward looking, like effective and flexible with the focus on accommodation future growth. Means that these plan provide the framework and direction for low level planning. The low level planning we discuss next point on a top level management, middle level management and low level management. Okay, the plan strategic, tactical and operational. Okay, there are three plans we discuss. First, tactical plan. What is the tactical plan? What is the factor on the plan? The tactical plan mostly is in a low level planning. Then next is the tactical plans. Means the tactical plan is create the blueprint for the logical statistical plan. These plans are often short term and carry out the middle level manager. Means middle level manager. Middle level manager means head of department or your manager, like the different types of department like your purchase department, finance department and production department. Okay, and it totally depends on a strategical plan. The strategical plans describe the manager plan to adapt to achieve the objective set in the statistical plan. Means tactical plans span a short time frame, less than 3 years. Means it's a different to tactical plan. Tactical plans involve strength, weakness, external risks, mission and control system of implement. It is a statistical plan, but the tactical plan are span a short time frame, usually less than 3 years, and are usually developed by the middle level management. Okay, that is the, for example, as a your head of department. It's they specify means or action plans implementation the static plan by unit within the each division, like your production department, finance department, finance department, purchase department and all your other departments. Okay, tactical plan entail detailing research and work according among the within each division. Okay, we understand the tactical plan. Tactical plan is depend on a static plan to create the blueprint for the logical plans. Okay, then next is operational plans. Means cover the entire organization goal and objective and put into the practice the way and action step to achieve the static plan. Very short term plan, usually less than a year. We taken a technical plan plan in a technical plan span is a short term frame, like usually less than 3 years, but operational plan is the usually less than 1 year. They are usually developed by manager to fulfill his or her job opportunity or responsibility. They are developed by supervisor, team leader, and facilitated to support technical plans. Okay, they govern the day-to-day operation of organization. Means operation organization is totally depend on a manager to fulfill your job responsibility, like your supervisor, team leader, and facilitate support technical plans. Then operational plan can be defined two types, like standing plan and ongoing plan. Standing plans mean draw to cover issue that manager face rapidly, like example is a policy, procedure, or routes. In a statics plan, manager is covered issue that manager face rapidly, example like your company policies, your production lines procedure, and company rules. Then ongoing plans is prepare for single or exceptional situation or problem, and are normally described or replaced after one use. Means program, project, or budget. This is a ongoing plans. This plan in change in a 1 year, like your program will be changed, your production product will be changed, then project, your new project are coming, so your previous project is stopped and starting the new project production, like your program, project, or change your budget as compared to previous year. Okay, that is the operational plan. Okay, types of plan is over, like a strategic plan, tactical plan, and operational plan. Then next is type of plan. Means a single use plan, standing plan, contingency plan, crisis management planning, then a scenario planning. First is the single use plans that address unique events that do not reoccur. Standing plans used to be handle event and the reoccur frequently, and contingency plans formulate to address the specified possible future event that might have a significant impact on the organization. It depend on your impact of organization. Then the plans formulate specifically to deals with possible future crises. Okay, scenario planning means that plans are based on what if about future. Means your ongoing plans prepare for single or situation or normally replace after one use, like your program, project, or budget. They are a change in a next year. Okay, then next point is basic level in the organization. There are we discuss the three levels or three types of strategic plan, tactical plan, on operational plan. They are given plans classified on the basis of level. There are a difference between three plans. What is the first basic point is focus of attention. Focus on attention. First plan is a strategic goal, tactical goal, and operational goal. Then second is the basic point is the level of manager. In first point, they are framed by the top level management. Means they are framed by the top level management, like your CEO. Okay, then tactical plans, they are framed by the middle level manager, like your head of department. And the operational plan, they are framed by the low level manager, like your supervisor, worker, or file workman. Okay, they are dependent on rank. Then a time frame. In first plans, they are prepare for a long period of time, normally more than 5 years. Okay, time frame is the static plan time frame is normally more than 5 years. And tactical plan is they are prepared for intermediate period, ranking between 1 to 5 years. Okay, this is the normally more than 5 years, and tactical is the between 1 to 5 years. Then operational plans prepared for a period of less than 1 year. Okay, they are a time frame plan, like a strategic plan in a more than 5 year, tactical plan in a 1 to 5 year, and operational plan is a less than 1 year. Then scope of three plans is: first plan, they relate to overall organization goal. Then tactical, they relate to the departmental goals, and the operational plan is they relate to the goal for subunit of each department. Then fifth and last basic point of level of organization is the environment. The first is the they relate organization with the external environment. Then they focus on both external and internal environment. The tactical plans are dependent on both department, like internal or external. Then operational plan is focus on effective use of resources, thus focusing the interval environment. Okay, that is the difference and basic points of level of organization, like a focus on attention, level of manager, time frame, scope, and environment. Okay, then on the basis of management, on the basis of management level, we last 2 point we discuss on top level, middle level, or low level, which we taken a first point, top level management, which म्हणजे it's provide top level management, it's provide guidance and direction to top management, lay down the objective policy or plans. Means top level management, like your post of chief executive officer, like a CEO, CMO, like chief marketing officer, chief sales officer, chief technology officer, president and managing director are lays down the objective policy and plans. Okay, the which plans depend on your organization. They spend more time to planning and organizing of top level management. Then second one is middle level management. The post middle level manager post is the marketing manager, purchase head, sales manager, operation manager, branch manager, finance manager. They are the middle management level post. Okay, then third is the low level management level. They involved post is supervisor, foreman, clerk, junior manager, or inspector of your organization or industry. This is the low level management. Okay, the function to make daily, weekly, or monthly plans, to do work on machine or manually. Means low level management to make daily, weekly, and monthly plan. And low level post, like a supervisor, to do work on a machine or manually. Like top level management plan, general manager, director are called as a top level plan. Okay, and under this plan, the objective, budget, policy is on top level plans. Means which top level plans are generally manager, director are called as a top level plans. Under this plan, like objective, budget, and policy, whole the organization is laid down. There are the generally long term plans in a top level plans, like your CEO, CMO, like a chief sales officer and chief technology officer. Then second is middle. There the post is a marketing manager, purchase head, sales manager, operation manager, branch manager, and financial. So the departmental manager are that the middle level in a organization. Many departments such as purchasing department, finance department, sales department. The plans formulated by the department level manager are called a middle level plan. Then next and last one is a low level plan post is a supervisor, foreman, clerk, junior manager, and inspector. And how to work is formulating by the supervisor or the foreman. They take the executive of the actual work and the problem related with they are prepared for the short period. It's called the short term plans, like a manager to make a daily, weekly, and monthly plan to do work on a machine or manually. Okay, management level our required skill. We discussed the three management level, like a top management, middle management, and like a low level management. They are a required skill in a three management level. First is administrative, both administrative and management, and last is the management will doing the work on a machine or manually. Okay, first point is top management required administrative. Which is administrative is like a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Sales Officer. Okay, their contribution skill is given a 60% in this person, and technical is a 20%, and human skill is a 20% in a top management. Okay, then middle management like your sales manager, purchase manager, production manager, they are a contribution skill given a 20%. Technical skill is very important to middle level manager like your branch manager, like your sales manager, purchase manager, your production manager. They are a technical skill is a 60% is the important points. Then is a human skill like a 20% is given. Then your low level like your supervisor, then foreman, worker, and a rank and the file workman. Their confusion skill is 5%. Then is a technical skill also. Then middle level as compared to middle level, the low level management, the technical skills is a very important as compared to middle level management. He is given a 65%. Then human skill is a 30% to use the any creativity of the production line. Okay, we discussed the three management level: top, middle, and low level. And required skill of opportunity percent is given a confucial skill is 60%, technical skill 20%, human skills in a top management, and middle management is 20%, technical skill 60%, and human skill 20%. Then your low level management is a conceptual skill is a 5%, and more important and large skill of percentage is a technical skill is given 75%, and human skill is a 30%. Means middle management and lower management is the depend on your organization and is the helpful for your technical skill of middle management and lower management for your industry or your production line. Okay, today's lecture we learn types of plans. Okay, we learn the types of plan. Like first one is strategic plan, tactical plan, operational plan. Then the basic of level in the organization, we difference between the three plans. Like a basic point we focus on attention level of manager, time frame, scope, and environment. Okay, then we discuss the basic management level: top, middle, or low level. And then the last point is the management level required skill. There are three management level are given: top management, middle management, and your low management. And there are skill, three types of skill: confucius skill, technical skill, and human skill. We discuss on the management level point. Okay, thank you.